Welcome to our complete guide on Dawlance Inverter AC error codes. From E0 to F5, we'll explain each code, its cause, and how to fix it. Whether you are a technician or an AC owner, this video will help you troubleshoot your unit quickly and safely. On this channel, we explain AC errors in simple language, one error at a time. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to like the video. DF code indicates defrost mode. The AC is protecting itself from coil freezing. E0 indicates a problem with the water flow or pump. E1 shows high pressure in the compressor. AC shuts down to protect itself. E2 is antifreeze protection. The AC shuts down if the indoor coil gets too cold. E3 is low pressure protection. There is not enough refrigerant in the compressor. Refrigerant bias animation gauge showing low pressure. E4 indicates the discharge gas is too hot. The AC shuts down to protect the compressor. E5 shows a compressor or inverter overload. The PCB shuts down the AC to protect it. E6 indicates a communication error between indoor and outdoor units. Check wiring or PCB. E8 indicates an indoor fan or motor protection issue. The fan may be jammed or faulty. E9 indicates a problem with water flow or the drain line. This could be caused by a blocked pipe or a sensor issue. F0 indicates a problem with the indoor temperature sensor. A faulty reading like OL or 9999 shows it's open or shorted. F1 indicates a problem with the indoor coil sensor. It's caused by a faulty thermistor or a loose wire. F2 indicates a problem with the condenser sensor. This is caused by a faulty sensor or PCB issue. The reading is unstable. F3 shows an issue with the outdoor environment sensor. This sensor fault is caused by a loose connector. F4 indicates a malfunction in the air discharge sensor. This is a sensor issue. F5 shows that the display environment sensor is faulty. EH indicates a problem with the auxiliary heater. It could be a heater or PCB fault. That's all for Dawlance Inverter AC error codes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AC repair tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for more technical guides and troubleshooting videos. If you're enjoying this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us make more great content.